Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add your custom signature to your PDF documents online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the PDF editor you use for that, for editing your PDF documents online. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Now usually you should find these signature or the signature button at the top amongst these text formatting and editing content creation buttons. Like here in this case here, sign. So let me navigate to a blank page first here. Click into sign. And that is going to redirect you to that window here. So you may draw, for example, a signature using the cursor. So let me use our channel's name. Well, that's a horrible handwriting, excuse me, but that's how it works. You can clear your signature below. You can also change the color or confirm by clicking into done, and then add your signature to your document. Let me undo this and show you option number 2. You may upload an image. For example, you have saved your signature, handwritten signature in JPEG or PNG file format on your device. Simply navigate to image, select image here, or drag the file here, locate it on your device and upload it and position it the same way using this button here. Or you can type it by selecting the type tab here, click into this button, select your font, and let me do that. Change the color, confirm, and now the signature should be somewhere here. I don't see it, unfortunately. Let me check what happened. So once again, there you have it. So that's it. I don't know why it's almost transparent. Maybe because I changed the color. Now I have two versions, but that's at least how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.